Get ready to rev your engines. What's up, gamers? Welcome back to my channel. This is Abraham. We have got a major announcement to share with you all today. After months of hard work, sleepless nights, and endless coffees, our brand new car racing game is finally ready to hit the tracks. Are you ready? Stay tuned for a big reveal and buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride. So this level 2. Level 2 is a 2-player system, and I was playing alone. So at some point I'll ditch the car and then use one of the cars. The one on the right, that's what I used to finish the game to level 3. Level 3 shows you the part where you play with AI. That's all. Okay guys, so that's all for now. It will be made up of 5 levels. Like I said, it will be released this December, so subscribe, turn on your post notification bells, and make sure you are alert. See you.
Hey guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like to AB. Thank you guys. Love you all.